wire right between these two dolls. That way. Alright. So I'm going to make my towel like that. I'm going to pinch and twist because this is two, you know, it's not the same side. On each side it's different. This has the glitter and this side doesn't. So I want my tail to show the glitter. So I have to twist it so that this side is down. And the glitter will show here. And I'm going to go ahead and do, let's do 6. I'm going to twist this. There it is at 6. I still feel a little awkward doing this. So I put my finger there at the 6. Twist. Make sure it didn't go over. Twist it there. Continue on, twisting every time. I just try to keep them held down there so they don't pop up. This is the part I don't like. I don't like the way it turns. Okay. Continue making a 6-inch on each side. So it's going to, I think I'll do 4. 4 on each side. So one more. Tail down. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull these. You can fluff it up when you're all done. Okay. I'm going to cut this right down here to match this side. I need to get some pins to put in my ribbon. Okay. Same measurement for the towels. This time I'm going to go to 5. This is really nice ribbon. It's a Jacqueline Smith collection. I actually got it during Christmas time. It's really pretty. You gotta watch out because you want to make sure you measure it right. It takes very little to be off, and you can tell when you're trying to adjust your loops. There's one side bigger. You can see it. Kind of ruins the look. It's happened to me quite a bit. It's trying to pop up on me. Twist this. Like I said, I'm still a little awkward with it. You know, I get it done, but kind of awkwardly. Because after a lot more practice, it'll go better. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to use make 4 loops on each side. Oh, I twisted everybody. Okay. Keeps wanting to pop up on me. But this is still easier than trying to make it by hand, at least for me. Trying to hold all these ribbons by hand is not easy. And I have osteoarthritis in my thumbs, which hurt, and I have other stuff going on with my elbows. So I have a lot of pain at times. So anything helps that assists in holding all this ribbon. I forgot what I was doing. Oh, I think it was I had made the bow and I was trying to hold it while I tightened the wire around it. I think that's what I was doing, and oh, the thumb pain was just too much, and I had to stop. I think that's what I was doing. There was something recently. Okay, so one more on this side. We'll make 4. Yeah, it just wants to keep popping up. Okay. It's really pretty ribbon. I really like it. Always double check because I hate that. I've gone through and made the bow and I didn't really double check. There was some that were a little bit off, and could really tell when it was time to fluff it up, and it just didn't look good at all. Okay, I'm going to hold that down, come over here, close my tail. Gosh, I love this ribbon. Alright, and then I'm going to use, this is 2.5 inch. This is 1.5. Starting to think maybe I should have did 3 of these instead, but I don't know. We'll see. So just pull our tail to make about the same size. And twist this one. We're going to do 3 inches. Okay, there's the finished bow. Turned out really pretty. When I was putting these on, I think I got 1 or 2 loops in, and camera said storage is full, so I just had to finish it. There it is, but it's nice and big, so now I have to just make a wreath that it goes with. It's really pretty.